Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Speaking with Darsh. Today we are going to make cake and I am going to introduce that making cake in English. So you can also learn how to make cake and you can also learn how to learn English. So in this one video there are two benefits, and here if you only watch the whole video then only you can understand that we are using which verb, which consonants, everything. Today I am going to explain you everything, how to make a very good cake and how to learn English with that. And you can also introduce your cake making while speaking English. So if you like my video, so like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Let us start. Here is my kitchen and this is guys, I have prepared all this stuff to bake a cake. First, I don't have an oven, that is why I use a bhagona to bake the cake. So first thing which we have to do is to heat the bhagona. Yeah. Now the gas is on and bhagona is going to heat well till we make the batter. So first thing which we have to do is I have some ghee over here. This ghee has to be melted so it can be poured into the bowl and used for the baking utensil or baking stuff. So which we are going to check if it's okay to be all melted. We have to stir it well so it can melt a little faster. So it is very hot, so I off the gas and now it is going to be melted. Only a little bit is left. So our ghee is prepared. First thing which we are going to use is this measurement cup, half a cup. We are going to use half a cup of. So we are going to use half a cup of this curd. I'm going to fill it up well. We are not going to leave any of the space. We are going to fill it up very well. So you can see I have filled it and now I am going to pour it in our bowl. Now it have been poured. Now I have poured all the ghee inside of the half of the cup. I am going to pour it inside the curd in the bowl. Now I am going to stir it. Now I have stirred this well and I am going to use 1.5 of this half cup to pour. I will pour this inside of the bowl. I am going to fill it half again. If you want less sweet, so you can only pour 1 cup. No use. We want more sweet, that is why we are using 1.5 cup. So I filled this half cup and now I'm going to pour it. Now we have to stir it well. Now I am going to use clean maida, a whole cup, to pour in our batter. I poured that, and now we have to stir it again well. I am going to use pineapple essence, and see if you are baking cake and it is like too salty kind of and not tasting well, so you are pouring the vanilla essence too much. You can use other essence too, like I am using this kind of pineapple essence. So I have my spoon ready over here. We have to use the smallest spoon, and I'm going to pour the essence inside of it. We have to fill it full with the essence and pour it inside of it. I poured that, and now we are going to pour baking soda. You can also, if you pour the baking powder first, that does not matter. See, from the starting till end, to make the whole batter of the cake, you have to keep the bhagona's flame the same or very low. So now I am going to use baking soda. We should not fill it whole, only a little bit, and done. Now we are going to use the baking powder. This also we don't have to fill the whole. Only this much, and we have to pour it. When this whole is done, we have to stir it well for some time. So now we will use milk to make it very light, because now it is too heavy. Now we will use milk. First we will pour 4 spoons of milk. We will not be in hurry because it can be overflow. First we will use 4 cups of milk, 4 spoons of milk, and then we will think about more. Mix it well. Check if it is falling down in a straight line. It is still breaking, so we will use 2 spoons more. Every time we have to increase 2 spoons by. Or bias 2 spoons. Now mix it well and then check again if it is falling in a straight line. It still is breaking. It's breaking still. So now we will add 1 more because it is falling down quite a bit. If we use 2, it can overflow. Or else you can pour 1 by 1. It is still breaking, so we will use 1 more. Only 1. Now still it is breaking. Now we will only use 1 spoon or half a spoon. I used a whole spoon. So mix it well. Now it should fall in a straight line and not break. Yeah, see? Kind of like this. See? So see, now it is falling in a straight line, so our batter is ready. So we will use this. Now I will use ghee to make it non-sticky, or else our batter will stick on it. And when we are going to take our batter out, when it is completely baked, it will be sticked on it. And then we will have a hard time taking the cake out. And we surely don't want that to happen. So we will use all the ghee which we used before. Only a little bit is used, not too much. I have covered this whole pan with ghee. Now I will use a little bit of maida to pour inside of it. I have used, and now I will shake that in all the pan and is covered by it. If it is not covered, so the cake will stick on our pan. So now I will pour the whole batter inside of it. Now we will pour the whole batter inside of the pan. Make sure the whole bowl has been poured. Use a spatula or something else to take out the sticky parts which are stick to the bowl. I have poured the whole batter. I have right now poured the whole batter. Make sure that none of the bubble left inside of the pan or the batter. So we will tap the pan like this, so the bubbles can go away. Bubbles goes away. Now I will keep the batter inside of the bowl with the help of my mom. I will meet you in a second. So in 25 minutes the cake would be ready. But for first 5 minutes you have to keep the flame at max. Then when the 5 minutes passed, you have to keep the gas man. Right now I will keep the gas on full flame, and when the cake is baked I will meet you that time. So now our cake is baked. So I will turn off the gas and see this. The cake is totally baked. You can check it with a toothpick if you want. If it is sticky, if the batter sticks on the toothpick, then it is not baked, and if it does not, it is baked. So I leave this for 5 minutes inside the bagona like that only. I turn out the gas. I leave the cake inside the bagona for 5 minutes. I'll meet you in 5 minutes. Till then, wait.
A few moments later.
तो आज आपने सीखा कि आप कैसे केक बना सकते हैं और उसको इंग्लिश में इंट्रोड्यूस भी कर सकते हैं. तो अगर आपको ऐसी ही और वीडियोस इंग्लिश से रिलेटेड चाहिए तो हमारे वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलना. मैं आपको मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो में. टिल देन, बाय बाय.